When we talk about the MK's long-term future, honestly, I don't think that this party is going to last. I don't think so. I just think that it's a hard train that's going to derail. In Zulu we say, umlilo wamaphepha lo, uzophela manje, masinyane. Right now, that party only exists because of one man, Jacob Zuma Msholozi. And let's not fool ourselves any longer. People didn't vote for the MK. People voted for Jacob Zuma. So as long as Jacob Zuma is alive, usaphila, and as long as he's involved, that party might grow. But let me tell you something. The day Jacob Zuma dies, the proper soul dance, that party will fall like a house of cards. Bad things are going to happen to that thing. You will see factions rise. Jacob Zuma's children will fight for control. Others will others will try to grab onto power. Blood might even spill. We could see political assassinations in levels that we have never seen before in South Africa. So basically, Jacob Zuma is the glue and the center holding this thing together. But it was their fault. They made him dictator in chief. And we all know what happens when dictators die. Part, People are left with no leaders, there's no plan, there's no successor, just chaos because no proper succession plan was put into place.